Hello, Maths Literacy learners. Today we're going to do a practice question on tariffs. So we'll first read the statement that is in your screen right now and answer the questions that follow. So the statement says, Miyeke purchased a prepaid electricity and received the following till slip. And then we're given the till slip, it shows the amount that he paid, and then we don't have units that he purchased, right? And then he told us the amount before VAT and the amount after VAT, which is the electricity amount is the amount before VAT, and then P, the value of P is VAT, and then the total is the amount after VAT was included. So with that in mind, question 2.2.1, question 2.1 says write down the meter number. So we're going to look from this till slip of this electricity, the meter number. So the meter number is, so this is just 2 marks, so you just comprehend what is in the till slip and then you write it. So it's 2 marks, it's 0, 7, 3, 2, 9, 8, 5, 7, 6, 9. So this is the meter number. So you get 2 marks for that. And then 2.1.2 says write down the missing value of B. So as I've said that the amount that is on the electricity is the money before VAT, so the VAT is not added yet there. So you could, in order for you to get B, you want 1 and 2. So B is what? Is VAT. It's VAT and 15% VAT. 15% VAT, right? So in order for us to find this question wants the amount of VAT. You don't have to include VAT, you don't have to exclude VAT. They just want the amount of VAT. So we're going to take that amount, which is 1,930,43 cents, and then you multiply it by 15 over 100. Multiply it by 15 over 100, and then you get 169,565. So we get 169,5645, and then you will don't run off your answer until it's final. So you the decimals, you write them all, and then you round and final 56. So this is your 2.1.2, the value of B. So 2.1.3 is a little bit challenging, and it will need your attention to listen attentively, right? So 2.1.3 says a partial residential electricity tariff table excluding VAT. So you need to highlight here, when you're dealing with this question, you need to highlight important parts in the statement. So it says the partial residential electricity tariff table excluding VAT. So excluding VAT. So you know that this table now that we're showing here is excluding VAT, right? Okay, it's shown below. And then they show us a block, then consumption, and then the tariff. Okay, so what is the question now? The question says determine the number of kilowatts units Miyeke purchased for 7 months. Okay, 7 months. Okay, so this is how we're going to do this thing. So going back to our till slip. Our till slip, I just want to identify a few things. This amount there, this amount is VAT excluded. So this amount is VAT excluded, right? And then the 1,300 is VAT included. So this one is VAT what? Included. So the amount that, so in this question that we're going to approach right now, we're not going to work with this one. Because if we're to work with this one, that means we'll change our tariffs there, we'll include VAT in them, because the statement says they are VAT excluded. So to make things easier for ourselves, let us rather work with the excluded VAT and then include VAT in the last calculation than including VAT one by one. So that is the best option that you must do, right? So I just wanted to demonstrate that. Okay, so we're going to work with this one. Okay, so let's do 2.1.3. Let's approach this question. So it says, determine the number of kilowatt units VAT purchased. So first block, 350. So we know that he purchased that one, 350. Uh, 350 kilowatts multiplied by this tariff that we're giving here, and it is excluding VAT. You don't have to include VAT yet. Okay, 2.19 cents. 2.19 cents, and then we get 766.50 cents. Okay, and then what do? We take the total amount that he paid, excluding VAT. So now we take the total amount that he paid excluding VAT. We want to deduct this one. To find out that how much did he pay, without this one. So this, okay, so we're going to take how much in total did we pay excluding VAT. He paid 1,130.43, and then go to minus this value. So you can say minus 766.50, and then you're going to get 363.93, right? And then after you did this, so you calculated for the first block. Okay, for the first block 250 multiplied by the tariff of the first block, and then got this one. And then you know that in total he paid this much. So you are going to take now, you're going to say, okay, in total he paid this much. Okay, let's deduct this one, because this one is already included here. So let us deduct it to find out that how much is left, so that we can find out the units of that block, right? Because we know that in the first block he used 350, but we don't know in the second block how many units did he use. So you minus now with this value of the first block with the total, and then get this one. So you know that now he paid how much? He paid 363.93 cents for the second block. This is how much he paid for the second block, right? Okay, I'm going to take that value, 363.93, and then you're going to divide it with the tariff of the second block, because in order for them to find, or in order for us to find this thing, of course, we took the tariff and we multiplied by the unit, which we don't know. We are looking for that unit. So in order for us to get here, we took this tariff and then we multiplied it by the unit, but now we are looking for that unit. So we're going to reverse it. In terms of multiplication, we're going to divide, right? Okay, we're going to divide by the second tariff, which is 2.91 per kilowatt per kilowatt. And then these rands will cancel each other, and then the answer that we get is kilowatts. And then the answer that we get is kilowatt, which we will get 125,061,855.7 kilowatts. So you can get 125, etc. kilowatt. But we are not done. So this is the kilowatt for what? For block B. Block 2. This is the kilowatt for block 2. And this was for what? For block A. Sorry, block 1. This was for block 1. So you're going to take now this 350 for block 1 and then you add it with this one. You see, you're going to take this 350 for block 1 and then you add it with that one. So you can say the tariff of block 1, and then you add it with block 2. So you're going to add the 350 with this now. And then in total, we're going to find 475, 0.6185557 kilowatts. 7 kilowatts. So this is how you find kilowatts. This is how you find how much units did a person purchased, having the money that he bought that unit with. But here we did have the money that, okay, this person bought the units, how much, but how much, now we don't have the money, because usually in tariffs, you calculate tariff, you calculate money, you don't calculate units. So this is how you calculate units, kilowatts units. Thank you for watching. We'll see each other in another video soon. Thank you.